today I am so excited because we just got the brand new Oakley Meta AI limited edition glasses, and I get to unbox it for you guys right now. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for clicking. Please support me by subscribing to the channel. We are almost at 1K subscribers. Back to the video. All right, about to get our first look here. Whoa. Wow. This looks so premium. Here they are. The HSTN 50 for the 50th year anniversary of Oakley. What a crazy collaboration. Looks like we have a tab right here. Pull it down. Love the packaging. This is so nice. I don't know what to do here. It says pull up. Oh. Whoa. This is crazy. Scan to get started. The packaging is insane. Very premium feel. Looks like this is the case. Here is the charging port. Oakley symbol. This case is insane. I mean, it's the charging case and the case for the glasses, so obviously it's got to be pretty durable. All right, so here we are. This is the first look. Whoa. It smells really good. That's interesting. Got the little Oakley Meta right here. Some sort of suede on the inside. Very nice. They look insane on camera. Look at that reflection. They just made a noise. I think they're more ready than me to sync and pair. Well, there's nothing else really to it inside the case. That's just like a charging mount dock. But here they are. I can't believe it. We got a little bit of protective wrap right here. Wow. It looks so nice. Look at that gold Oakley symbol. I'll show you the other side. And now something really cool on the inside right here. If I can focus. There's a little Meta symbol in gold. Right there, wow. If you guys are big Oakley fans, kind of like I am, these are the PRIZM 24K gold lenses. Something about these, I mean, me getting introduced into Oakley technology, I actually did a lot of research on what are the best lenses, and just from a lot of customers, a lot of people had amazing things to say about these lenses and the type of colors that pop out when you wear these. When you're looking at trees, you're looking at the sky, are some of the best colors you ever seen. We got a little bit of a blinking action right here. All right, let's put them on. Let's try them on. Huh. They have like some haptic touch to it. When I put them on, they're making noises. Here's what it looks like without a hat on, so just normal use. I really like the reflection, but sometimes when I'm looking at it with the camera, I think you can actually kind of see my eyes. But it really depends on the lighting. I love the way they feel. If you guys have worn Ray-Ban Metas before, or sunglasses that are too small to fit on your head, this is not the case, and I'm so glad because one, these were pretty expensive, and two, I was able to test out the Ray-Ban Metas, and it was just a little too tight for my head. Now we got the glasses paired, let's get into the features. Starting with the battery life. These Oakleys have 8 hours of use and 19 hours when left on standby. And when the charging case is fully charged, you get an extra 48 hours of battery life. Oakley says you can get a 50% charge in just 20 minutes. Next, we're going to talk about the camera. This camera is 12 megapixels. It is an ultra-wide camera with a 100-degree field of view that records in 3K resolution Ultra HD. Now, to take a photograph, you can either press the button here once. That takes a photo. Or if you want to take a video, you'll hold the button. Now it's recording a video. I'll stop it. But one of the great features about these glasses is that it can be completely hands-off. Hey Meta, take a picture. Or, hey Meta, take a video. Hey Meta, stop the video. Now you might have been wondering what are those little quirky noises that these sunglasses are emitting. So they have two Bluetooth speakers right here on your head to where you can listen to music, watch content without having to have headphones in. Just to let you guys know, I took these off for a second and I was in the other room watching a video and these were playing at max volume. It's pretty loud. Now these glasses also can hold up to 32 gigabytes of storage, and you can go into the app to edit, look at all your footage that you capture right onto the app. Once you get your glasses set up, you can start connecting your other phone apps such as Spotify, Apple Music, your hands-free cell phone, whether you want to make a call or you want to send a text message. This is showing some of the many apps that you're able to connect these sunglasses to. Now this right side is called the touchpad. You can swipe up to turn up the volume, or you can swipe back to turn down the volume. You can tap it once to pause your music or play your music or to answer a call. If you don't want to say the words, hey Meta, you can just hold the button and it'll give an instruction, but it got cut off. And Meta will start talking. Now some cool additional features is that it has an auto pause. So if you take your glasses off and you're listening to a podcast, YouTube video, or music, it's going to pause it for you. And it'll also detect when you put it back on to start playing that music again. And another cool feature is that when you put them on, it knows that they're on you. And when they're off of you, it knows to conserve battery life to make sure it's not draining the entire battery. Something else you guys should know about these glasses is that when you activate Meta, you can actually have a nice back and forth dialogue with it. Now, it's no diss to Meta AI, but it's nothing like AIs like OpenAI ChatGPT models or Grok 3, Grok 4 models. I feel like it's nowhere near there, but it's not the end of the world, but definitely something to note. Hey Meta, can you set a reminder for me? What's the reminder for? Remind me to get sticks of butter, corn on the cob, yellow onion, lemons, and frozen pizza.
Sure. I'll remind you to get sticks of butter, corn on the cob, yellow onion, lemons, and frozen pizza today at 3:32 p.m.
Sounds good. Thanks.
You're welcome.
I want to show what the photo quality is like, and I want to show what the video quality is like. All right. I'll be honest, kind of forgot everything else. I remember frozen pizza, but that's about it. Corn on the cob. 2 for $1, or just get 5 straight up. Yeah. Call me lazy. She didn't specify how many, so. And if that's too much, we can just make some lemonade. How about that? All right, so all we need is the sticks of butter and frozen pizza, and we're out of here in under 10 minutes. Okay. Well, that's it.
Welcome. If you have your stop and shop, move your yellow onions to the bag. 154, 629.
Gotta put the cart back, always. I've shown you guys some of the great features of the Meta sunglasses, and I want to give you guys my impressions, what I think about it after everything. And I think the sunglasses are great. I love the color and I love the lens. Aside from the Meta AI, Oakleys are actually my favorite, and I actually have this colorway in another Oakley pair, so I'm a little biased. I've always lost sunglasses my entire life, but honestly, with the Oakleys, I've been better at keeping track of these sunglasses, and honestly, I wear them every day. I don't want to go anywhere unless I have them, so it's really nice that my favorite lens and color combo is a limited edition, but aside from that bias, breaking down what it really is. The retail price is $499.99, which is insane for just a pair of sunglasses. Do I think it's worth the $500? I'll say no, and why is because they have this Meta AI technology with Ray-Bans already, and those go for about $300 retail or a little bit lower. Sometimes you can get discounts as well. Don't be opposed to getting used. You can get same technology with half the price if you go the Ray-Bans route. Now personally, I used to like Ray-Bans in the past, but again, they fit a little small to my head, but you can easily go to your favorite sunglasses store to check them out, see which one's best for you. I have no intentions of getting rid of them though. Yes, they're very expensive, but for my purpose, it's business, YouTube, marketing, and content, so I'll be using these almost on the daily, and it beats lugging around this DJI Pocket 3, which is amazing. It beats bringing around a vlogging camera, it beats bringing around mounts, etc., etc. This way I can just put the glasses on, hit record, and boom, we have great content. Now personally, for my content consumption, the point of view of the Ray-Ban Metas and the Oakley Metas are the future, so this is why I'm hopping on board now. You cannot deny the technology, the 12 megapixel camera and the 3K resolution. It is amazing. I actually had a lot of fun with it, taking pictures, taking videos. I also let some family members try it out, and even my children, and it was really cool to see them being fascinated by it all as well. It really is cool technology having AI right here, hands-free. The battery life is amazing. 8 hours on one charge is ridiculous. Shout out to Oakley and Meta for that collab or getting that done. The charging case can charge up to 48 hours, and again, you can get your charge back in about 15-20 minutes. But these glasses are also great if you want to go to the beach, if you want to go for a run, you want to listen to music while you're doing both of those things. You don't need your AirPods, or you don't need wireless headphones or over-the-ear headphones, because the glasses act as a speaker. But it doesn't even feel like a speaker. It genuinely feels like you have something like AirPods in or wireless earpieces without the hassle of actually having them in, sometimes that annoying feel, and sometimes them falling out even. You're also getting very powerful lenses, so yes, it is very expensive, but if you try to get Oakleys with these type of lenses, you're already around a $200 price point ballpark. The interface on the app is a little bit to get used to, but for the most part, you take a photo, you take a video, and boom, it's right there on your phone. It's made creating videos and editing extremely easy. Again, I don't want to end this video without letting you know that the AI is a baby compared to ChatGPT models and Grok models of AI. That's not a knock to Meta AI. I hope they can get better. But when you ask it to do things like play your music, or for example, set a reminder, it's a little wonky, and sometimes you have to give it a second try or a third try. If you guys want another look, here they are on the face. I'm outside. The craftsmanship on it is very nice. It's very sleek. It doesn't feel too heavy. They feel really comfortable on my head. It's super easy to use. I don't know if I'm going to be using the phone call feature or the text feature or reading messages aloud feature. I don't really think that's necessary for me. I'll say again with the price point, $499.99 retail. After taxes, it was $550. So for the casual wear, I wouldn't recommend. Again, there are alternative options where you can still get taking pictures done, recording videos for half the price or less. There's no doubt these are premium. These were not cheaply made. I do believe Oakley and Meta AI did a great job of advertising. I'm sure they made a lot of money on this launch. I'm really just going to be hopeful that Meta AI continues to enhance the technology, make this better. We're still in the early stages, but if there's anything else you guys would like to see with the glasses, or something that I missed, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to answer every question you guys might have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I plan to upload a lot more content with these sunglasses, so stay tuned. I really hope you consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean the world to me. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Join the channel and my journey.